Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's SLP update for Wednesday, and join the Discord if you're not in the Discord as well. Okay, so I was looking at the monthly time frame, and the monthly so far is kind of positive. Okay, it's kind of good, kind of like trying to make the right moves to push the coin itself to the upside, but it's not something that I really wanted to see. I wanted to see SLP go to 27 for me to take an entry, but anyway, yesterday we talked about the symmetrical triangle, and so far you can already see we're really inching near to the apex, and you're just consolidating in between here, and you're not doing any further progress. Now the EMAs are coiling up, and they're still acting as a resistance for this blue line that you see, the 55 on the 4-hour time frame. So as soon as you're approaching the apex right here, the question steps in: are you gonna break to the downside or the upside, right? uh, I saw Bitcoin, and it potentially Bitcoin made one ascending triangle, a very mini ascending triangle in the 1 hour time frame. So let's take a hint from Bitcoin. Okay, so Bitcoin also has an apex that is coming in by today. So if you could even get a response today or tomorrow, now you can see that it's making a very small ascending triangle right there. If Bitcoin does start to push from here and got 46, because the technical target out of this ascending triangle is going to be $46,000. Okay, so let's say you do push to the upside like that again, and really you're going to be breaking some resistance out there. Then SLP, basically out of that symmetrical triangle, is going to push to the upside, in my opinion, because there's no reason left for me to say SLP is going to go down. But if you do start to push to the downside with this mini ascending triangle of Bitcoin, well, SLP is gonna mirror Bitcoin. But the chances that it's gonna mirror Bitcoin, I'm not saying it will mirror Bitcoin, like 100% confirmed thing. But the thing is that, look, just look at that. One touch here, one touch down the support, one at the resistance, one again at the support, one at the resistance here, resistance there, and now you're looking just come down again here, and from there you're pretty soon gonna have a breakout, either to the upside, either to the downside. That's just how it is. But one thing I want to tell you is probably Bitcoin is really overbought right now, and it does make sense for Bitcoin to take a rest and go a little bit down. So what you could see instead, maybe make a fake out, and then boom, you did make one fake out here, and then you went to the downside, right? So if you do make fake outs when it goes to the upside, it's potentially meaning that it's want to actually go to the downside, right? And if it does go to the downside, this is your next technical target, 17, let's say. Okay, now when you come down there at the 17 of the 16s, you're making a double bottom right there. Okay, so you make a double bottom, and that will be actually good and amazing and healthy for SLP, because double bottoms are bullish. Unless you just don't start to lose this level that I marked for you, 0.164, then you're really gonna go even way more down, below the belt. It's like you're kicking SLP under the belt. Now ever since yesterday, we've just been consolidating and making sideways movement between the 203 and the 204 and 205 most of the time. And you might be wondering, why is it not making a move? Actually, it's actually trapped in this symmetrical triangle. That's why it's not making a move. And you can already see it's inching close to make a move by this apex, which is tomorrow. And by that one, this is gonna be just a very quick update out here. We're still waiting for the response from Bitcoin and response from the symmetrical triangle, and the decisions that is about to come in as well for the coin. Yeah, so yeah, that's it for this update. I'm gonna see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.